Hello everybody, I'm Daniel Dimov and I'm the founder of Mobidonia. It's a mobile app development company, and recently we created a new spin-off company called AppAdmin, which I'm going to present you right now. This platform in fact is a content management system built on top of Firebase, and as we go on this video I will show you how Firebase works and what are the advantages, but also point to some disadvantages and problems when you use Firebase, and how our platform, our AppAdmin, can solve that problem. So let's begin. This is Firebase. It's a Google product that has multiple products inside, so it's not a single product, it's an entity of few products in fact, and they can be used one by one, but when combined also they get you a big heads up front when you develop your project. Cloud Firestore is a database similar to real-time database. For those that don't know, also they have different products like Cloud Functions, which are node functions that can modify any content in Cloud Firestore or real-time database. They have also hosting, cloud storage, authentications, machine learning kits, then remote configuration, cloud messaging, etc. I will begin with show you how a database looks. So this is a real-time database, and this is a simple format or example of how a database may look. It has elements and nodes inside. For example, this node has the value text. We can delete or add. So this is in fact a chat app that we have built last night in a conference demo, and so on. And in fact, a real-time database is a JSON database, a JSON structure database that in fact it's real-time because it sends updates to the client SDK really fast. And here is an example of how it may look. For example, if I post here a message, this message went to the server of Firebase and then was returned back to me, saved in the database. So this database is pretty fast, but I will tell you that it's easy to use Firebase when you have a large set of users entering data. So like in this application, a lot of users are putting content inside the app, and this content should not be, or is not really in interest of an administrator to see what's been entered there. But when it comes to entering data that has some structure, you need some structure in it, or repeatable content, there the problems comes. So let me open my landing page, my company landing site, and it looks something like this. So we have some welcome message, products, who are the team, few links, and these are the products that we have. And all of this data is saved in Firebase. And in this demo I will present you how AppAdmin works by creating a similar site to this one. So let's begin. I will use this. So this is a React.js website using some Bootstrap template, but I will not go in details with it. This is the site now. So few links, some demo content, one demo user, and in fact this code, these values are pulled from Firebase. I'm connected to Firebase. This is just a demo text, demo values. Okay, and if you can see, this data still displays, and they are fetched from products and team from my database. So my data is in fact here, products, 2 products, one theme with few social links, the name, the position, his image, his social profiles. And now the problem comes when there is a new data to be added. So in this example here I have two products, and let's say I want to add a new product like in my landing page, let's say a platform. So let's see how that will be done. So I need to find the element, I need to click on the plus, then see what's the next index, in this case 3, and I need to start typing description. And not to mention that it's really easy to make a mistake when you put these names of the values. I will try not to make a mistake. Name, platform, and then image. When it comes to image, it's really difficult, and I will tell you how that's been done. And I'm missing description, name, image, and link. https appify.com. So I have added this product, and it should be displayed on my demo landing page. And now let's see what's the way to add an image. I need to go inside storage, and I need to upload a file. And I need to find that file, then copy the link, file location. It's really difficult. I think I can copy like this or not. Okay, so this is the image. We'll close. I need to go once again into database, and I need to go inside real-time database, locate my item once again, and put the value here. Okay, so now I should have the product image that I want, and this is really difficult, as you can see. So it's really difficult to manually modify the data inside your Firebase, and I did with putting really attention on the names. It's really difficult to make a wrong name here. So that's why we have built AppAdmin, and I will tell you, we will see now what problem it solves. So I will start on creating a new admin panel. I will create a new admin panel, and I will connect to my database. So I'm logged in with my Gmail, with my Google account, in order to fetch my Firebase databases. I'm using execonf. I need to put my web API key. I will name the panel landing demo. And this is my landing demo admin panel. But I need to pay, sorry. So as you can see, this is the pricing. I will pay now, just a second. Okay, I have paid for my own product. So let's move on. And I'm on the mobile admin panel version. So if I go to models, I need to define my model. So when I look at my data on my landing page, I can see that each product has an image, description, name, link. So those will be the values. And for the team members, we have image, we have name, we have position, and social networks. And let's start. So let's create a model called products. And inside this products, I will add a new field called name. It's an input. Name, save, and add another field called of type text area, which will be description. Then I need an image. And I need a link, which is also a type of input. I'll call it a link. Okay, so the first model is created. I need another model, member, which will be my company team members. And there we had name. We had an image. We had position. Okay, and now we also had a list of social networks. So what we can do there in order to be effective is to create a type group, and this type group will create repeatable objects. I will call this social. And inside social, I will put input type, so I know which type is the social network link. So it can be Facebook, Instagram, things like that. Type, and then I will add also an input, which will be the actual link to the social network. Okay, so we have the two models. Anyway, if I go to navigation, I can build my dashboard navigation or administrator panel navigation. So I can use Firebase and Firestore. In this case, I want to use Firebase. I can select one of my models. So products, add, then Firebase members. Okay, so we have the navigation done, and now we can view our administrator panel. Okay, we should log in now. I already have created user insight authentication, so I will go to login. It's daniel@mobiton.com. Password is password. Okay, and I'm now logged in. As you can see, we have the two menus that we have created inside our admin panel builder. And here in products, I'm able to add a new product. Okay, let's do that. And now we are able to just select an image and to upload it. I will use AppAdmin image. Okay, the product name is AppAdmin. The link is https AppAdmin, and description headless CMS for Firebase. Okay, so before I need to go to file storage to upload an image, to copy the link, to be careful about what are the names, and now I'm just going to products and I'm able to add a new product. This will be my next product called React App Builder. Link will be https reactappbuilder.com. I will upload an image, and this image in fact goes directly to Firestore. React App Builder, here it is. Description, React App Builder that anyone can use. Okay, and now we will go inside our database and see how that looks. And as you can see, now there is a new node called AppAdmin, and inside we have the products there. So I can see everything is there. It's an image from Google Firebase, from Fire Storage. And we have the two products, and we can modify them directly from the administrator panel that we have created. Okay, but now our landing page, demo landing page, is connected to the demo data, to the old one. So instead of fetch and set, this is the path to Firebase, I will add AppAdmin /products. Okay, and my landing page now looks like this. So it's connected to the data that my administrator panel sets in. So we have the image, the description, the title, and the link, of course. Let's see how this part will work. If I go to my administrator panel and members, I'm able to create my first element. I will select the image there. The image is Daniel. Okay, name is Daniel Dimov. Position developer. I hate to say CEO. And we have a link. This is a social link, so type Facebook. A link https facebook.com / something like that, doesn't really matter. And if I go to members, I will see my profile there. Now let's connect instead of, as you can see, we have also the members here. So this is the first member, and here is how it looks, the social part. And I'm able to add a new social links. So my demo landing page is connected to this node /teams, and I need to connect to AppAdmin member. So I will connect to that node. And if I open my demo landing page, I can see this. Developer position is okay, link is okay, type is not okay. So I need to see what's wrong, but in general you get the idea how it works. And just for the demo, I will create another user there, and I will show it like this. I will add a new member. So everything is in real time. I will select an image. This time will be Alexandra. Name will be Alexandra Dimova. Position designer. And she will have type Instagram with link to https Instagram / something like that. Okay, and as you can see, the data was modified in real time because we were using the real-time database. So I'll put this back to here. And later on we can add the rest of the products and rest of the team members. With this video I want to show you how we can easily create data manager, content management system for any type of backend or front end, like in our case our landing page. It could be used for mobile apps or different projects, so that's why we say that we are headless. So we just modify the data, and the way you use is really up to you. Everything is based on Firebase at the moment, so you can continue even with your existing data, your existing system, and just add a content management system on top of your data. With AppAdmin, our main goal is to simplify the way content management works. So instead of looking something like this, you will see something like this. And we have modules for push notifications, for file manager. You can see your mobile app users inside the user list. AppAdmin is also, as you saw, for the administrator, but also we have options to create admin panel for your end users. So your end user will have access only to part of your Firebase data, like in his own sub storage inside Firebase. I also want to say that AppAdmin works the same way for real-time database and Cloud Firestore, so there is no big difference on how we manage the data. Each plan has a 7 days trial period, so even if you subscribed, you're able to cancel in that time. So feel free to try out our product and let us know how suits your needs, and hopefully we will make this product that is a default tool for Firebase real-time database and Cloud Firestore. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach me out on this chat. Thank you.